stop scrolling. What if I told you that you could use a powerful AI tool to start making 1,000 plus per month without needing coding skills, a degree, or even a huge budget?
This is DeepSeek AI, and people are already cashing in. Want to know how? Stay with me, because I'm breaking down 5 simple ways you can start making money with DeepSeek today. Let's go. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek is an AI-powered tool that works similarly to ChatGPT, but it's open source and free to use. This means you can access powerful AI models to generate text, images, and even automate tasks without spending a dime. But here's where it gets exciting. People are using it to make money right now. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly how you can do the same. Ways to make money with DeepSeek AI. Number 1, AI-powered freelancing. Easy side hustle. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with people making $50, $100 per gig just by offering AI-generated services. You can use DeepSeek to write blog posts, emails, or product descriptions, create AI-powered chatbot scripts, generate SEO-optimized content for businesses. Pro tip, offer AI-generated content plus human editing to make your service stand out. Want more AI income strategies? Hit that like and subscribe button because I drop weekly money-making hacks you don't want to miss. This is Hidden Dollar, bringing you underground wealth strategies. See you in the next video.